Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, founder and owner of Plant, and today we are making a spring pesto pasta salad. So our first step is we're going to go ahead and make our pesto. So I'm going to put a cup of fresh basil. So this is a packed cup. So if you're measuring this out, it's quite a bit of fresh basil. Put that in the base of a food processor. 3/4 of a cup fresh parsley leaves. Just spread that around. I'm going to do 1/2 cup of pine nuts. Now you can absolutely swap this out for pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. However, I really love the taste of pine. 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Just kind of sprinkle that around. And you can omit the salt completely if you don't like it, or if you don't want a huge salty taste. And now we're just going to blend this until it's smooth. Okay, so once you think it's done, you can just take a spatula, stir it around, make sure it's really well blended. So you can see how creamy that is. Your pesto is good to go. Our pine nuts are broken up. All of our leaves are kind of broken up in there. And we're just gonna set this to the side as we bring out our pasta ingredients. Okay, so now that our pesto is done, I went ahead and cooked. I have 1 box of cooked gluten-free elbow noodles. I have a cup of halved cherry tomatoes and a cup of edamame beans. I'm just going to add my pesto to my cooked noodles and go ahead and toss this around. Make sure the noodles are nice and well coated. And then I'm going to toss in my fresh tomatoes and my edamame beans. Now, if you don't like tomatoes or if you don't like edamame beans, you can sub this out for red onion. You could do peas, you could do broccoli, you can do any vegetables you really want. I just really like the texture of all of these together. It has a very springy flavor. And there you have it. So that's all you have to do. Now your pesto pasta salad is good to go. You can serve this on the side as a cookout or maybe at your Easter brunch, anything like that. It's a yummy little meal, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you soon.